my key, dude?
Come on, I got it. Have your card, Kate. Good job. Works here, remember? According to the record, she's in room 141, I believe. And we should be coming up on 140. We are. And so what I'll do is I'll go get her. She's down this hallway. You guys keep walking.
Jeff, do you want some hose?
Always.
I got plenty of hose.
It's cold up here in the space between two worlds. I never believed I'd watch a fairy tale unfurl. All my life I've relied on logic, but let's give this thing a whirl. It's hard to let go when you're used to being you. But if you try, you meet a you never knew. All my life I've relied on logic, but I've got human nature too. And now the sun is streaming in, and it's all because of you. You know it's true, and there's no maybe. I hear my father's reasoning, but now my mother's bursting through. She says it's you who can save me. I'm falling into a supernova, and that supernova's you. And these feelings are all dead set to take me over. What else can I do?
How you doing in there? You, need help?
Yeah, what is it?
We'll see.
I light candles, incense on the wind. I try to meditate and read the ancient scrolls. I say it's just like walking in to a war court breach. I try to keep control. I test myself, try to keep it in, but the computer asks, how do you feel? Just take my pulse, stupid machine. It's never felt so real. All my life I've relied on logic, but I got human nature too. And now this pain is streaming in, and it's all because of you. You know it's true, and there's no maybe. I hear my father's reasoning, but now my mother's bursting through. She says it's you who can save me. Falling into a supernova, that supernova's you. And these feelings are all dead set to take me over. What else can I do?
Give it here.
That was almost dangerous.
In the house.
Oh,
Whoa, hold on, Jeff. Jeff went into another room. Oh, shit. Hey, listen. This is a big misunderstanding. Look, we were in here because... Whoa, holy shit! Oh, good boy, Jeff, good man. Oh, fuck. He's coming. That escalated quickly.
yeah, well.
Oh, he's back.
Right now.
Attaboy. Look at him.
What the fuck is going on?
Really?
No, this isn't funny.
If you just calm
no,
down, just calm down, and we can. Really, this is all rational plan. We thought it out.
We figured we'd break you out.
Why right now?
We had blueprints.
Well, I mean, you didn't belong in there.
Yeah.
No, not right now. Now really wasn't the good time.
Why?
No,
we
we
figured
thought-
you'd be
yeah,
happy.
seriously.
No,
I mean,
I'd be fucking stoked if they weren't releasing me today.